Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website Kaizer.com. I'm on the homepage and I really love your colorful images in the hero area. They look very enticing. They've got calls to action with little taglines telling what is in the image, linking it to the relevant collections, which is absolutely perfect. Your logo looks very enticing. It feels very strong. It feels like you can easily incorporate onto your social media, onto labels, to print, and it's very memorable, which is perfect for building brand. The top navigation is very user friendly, which is perfect. Free worldwide shipping information. Okay, so links to the updates website. Okay, so these are featured products, which is perfect, very nicely displayed. All images are the same height, which means that they display in line, giving you very polished professional look. The homepage looks very enticing. It feels like it is part of a big brand, established brand, so you've got your own cases. So obviously you've got one-star cases, which is perfect. I understand that you're creating them or outsourcing creation of those cases. And because this design is kind of very attached to your logo, people will easily recognize when they see it, someone holding this kind of case. So this is perfect. I like that you're very consistent with your design. So definitely keep doing what you're doing, because I think it's very enticing. And as you're consistent, it is much better for you to stand out from the competition, which is perfect. You've got professional email address. I'll just hyperlink it for one-click contact. However, this is like a just slide suggestion to improve the things on the website. Also, make sure to link to your social media. So obviously, be active on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and other social media platforms that work for you. TikTok is very good for brands right now. Instagram, obviously, and linked to those platforms from the footer menu. Okay, the collection page looks really good. You've got 3 items per row, so this is perfect. So it gives this kind of very comfortable browsing. It gives your visitors comfortable browsing experience, which is really important. The product titles um, are SEO friendly, which is perfect. Okay, I'm going to have a look at the product page now. The product page looks perfect. You've got add to cart above the fold, which is very important. Unique product descriptions, which is perfect for SEO, and related products as well. So that's absolutely perfect. Your SEO is 45 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. It feels like there is Google snippets definitely need optimization. For example, the meta title is missing your vital keywords. There's no keywords such as phone cases, phone covers, anything like that. Also, meta description has got no call to action, and it's a little bit too long. It should be under 165 characters, otherwise you will be cut off in the Google search results. Also remember to use the tags in the right order, so start from H1, which is the most important for Google, then H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, otherwise it will work against your SEO. Remember to optimize all images with SEO friendly alt tags. They're also very important for Google. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye-bye.